Did you know that somewhere in the universe, it rains diamonds and planets explode with cosmic power? Get ready for the wildest space facts you've ever heard. We think we have a handle on reality. We wake up, the sun rises, the ground is solid beneath our feet. But what if I told you that the universe beyond our little blue marble operates on a set of rules so bizarre, so utterly alien, that it makes science fiction look tame? What if I told you that out there, in the endless dark, it rains solid diamonds, and there are planets made of pure crystal worth more than all the money on Earth combined? The cosmos is not the quiet, empty void we once imagined. It's a chaotic, vibrant, and frankly, a very weird place. Every new discovery seems to peel back a layer of reality, only to reveal something even more astounding underneath. So, if you're ready to question everything you think you know, buckle up. We're about to take a journey to the farthest and most fascinating corners of existence. Let's dive into the wildest secrets of outer space. This isn't a movie. This is our universe. Let's start in our own cosmic backyard, with the ice giants Neptune and Uranus. From a distance, they look like serene, blue orbs. But deep within their atmospheres, something incredible is happening. These planets are composed largely of hydrogen, helium, and a significant amount of methane. As you travel thousands of kilometers down into their atmospheres, the pressure becomes immense. We're talking more than 0 times the atmospheric pressure on Earth. The temperature also skyrockets to thousands of degrees Celsius. Under these extreme conditions, the methane molecules, which are made of 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen atoms, can't hold themselves together. The intense pressure squeezes the hydrogen atoms away and forces the carbon atoms to bond with each other. They crystallize, forming solid, pure diamonds. And because these solid diamonds are denser than the surrounding soupy, superheated mixture of water, ammonia, and methane ices, they begin to sink. This creates a phenomenon scientists call diamond rain. A slow, steady hailstorm of precious gems cascading down through the planet's mantle. What happens to them? The theories are as wild as the phenomenon itself. Some scientists believe they continue to sink until they form a vast, solid diamond layer surrounding the planet's core. Imagine an entire world with a heart of diamond. But that's just one possibility in our own solar system. The universe gets much, much stranger. Here are 3 more facts that will fundamentally change how you see the universe. Number 3. Forget diamond rain. How about an entire planet made of diamond? Meet 55 Cancri, an exoplanet located about 40 light-years away. It's what's known as a super-Earth, meaning it's a rocky planet larger than our own in this case, about twice Earth's size and 8 times its mass. But this is no Earth-like paradise. It orbits its parent star so closely that its year is only 18 hours long. Because of this proximity, it's tidally locked, with one side perpetually baked in eternal daylight and the other frozen in endless night. Scientists believe the star it orbits is extremely carbon-rich. This suggests the planet itself formed from the same carbon-heavy material, leading to a world with a graphite surface and, deep below, a massive interior made of solid diamond. The day side is a blistering 400 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt metal, while the night side is a comparatively cooler but still scorching 100 degrees. Now for the truly mind-boggling part, its value. Based on its potential diamond content, economists and astronomers have estimated the planet's worth at $26.9 nonillion. That's a 26 followed by 30 zeros. To put that in perspective, Earth's entire global economy is around $100 trillion. You would need to multiply our planet's entire economic output by 270 million to even begin to approach the value of this single glittering world. Number 2. Let's come back to our solar system and visit Earth's so-called evil twin, Venus. It's similar in size to Earth, but that's where the similarities end. It's a hellscape with a runaway greenhouse effect, surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead, and an atmosphere so dense the pressure on the surface is 92 times that of Earth's. But its most bizarre feature is its sense of time. Venus rotates incredibly slowly, and it spins backward compared to most other planets. One full rotation, a single Venusian day, takes 243 Earth days to complete. Now, consider its orbit. The time it takes to go around the Sun once its year is only 225 Earth days. Yes, you heard that right. On Venus, a day is longer than a year. Imagine living on a world where the sun rises in the west, crawls across the sky for months, and finally sets in the east, only after the planet has already celebrated its new year. Why is it like this? The leading theory is a colossal impact in its distant past. An ancient planetary collision so violent it literally knocked the planet upside down and slowed its spin to a crawl. And now for a bonus fact before we hit number 1. We've all heard the famous movie tagline, "In space, no one can hear you scream." And for the most part, it's true. Sound needs a medium to travel, and the vacuum of space is mostly empty. Mostly. In 2003, NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory was studying the Perseus galaxy cluster, 250 million light-years away. At the center of this cluster is a supermassive black hole, and astronomers noticed something strange in the hot gas surrounding it. Ripples. These were pressure waves, propagating outwards from the black hole. In essence, they were sound waves. The black hole was singing. Now, you wouldn't be able to hear it. The note is a B-flat, but it's about 57 octaves below middle C, far, far lower than any human can perceive. The frequency is so low that one wave crest passes a point every 10 million years. But by taking the data and raising it by quadrillions of times, scientists have sonified it, allowing us to hear the eerie, deep hum of a supermassive black hole. It's the deepest note ever detected in the universe. And number 1, if you thought a diamond planet was valuable, what about the universe's biggest bar? Near the center of our own Milky Way galaxy lies Sagittarius B2, a gigantic molecular cloud of dust and gas. It's a stellar nursery, a place where new stars are being born. But it's what's mixed into this cosmic dust that is truly astonishing. Alcohol, and not just one kind. Scientists have detected vast quantities of ethyl alcohol, the same type found in beer and wine, as well as its simpler, more toxic cousin, methyl alcohol. This single cloud is enormous, spanning 150 light-years across, which is about 10 times larger than our entire solar system. The amount of alcohol is staggering. Astronomers estimate there's enough in Sagittarius B2 to fill 400 trillion pints. To drink that much, every single person on Earth would have to drink 300 pints every single day for 1 billion years. But beyond the novelty, this discovery is profound. Alcohol is a complex organic molecule. Finding it, and other building blocks of life, in a region where new planets are forming suggests that the raw ingredients for life are common throughout the galaxy. The universe, it seems, comes pre-stocked with the very chemicals needed to spark biology. From planets of pure diamond to days that last longer than years, from the hum of a black hole to cosmic clouds of alcohol, the universe is stranger, more wonderful, and more complex than we ever could have imagined. These aren't just fun trivia, they are clues about the nature of reality itself. They show us that our earthly experience is just one tiny, specific outcome in a cosmos of infinite and bizarre possibilities. It makes you wonder, with billions of galaxies each containing billions of stars, what other impossible realities are out there, just waiting to be discovered? What cosmic mysteries are still hiding in the dark, ready to once again rewrite everything we think we know? The journey has only just begun.